Hey everybody, Jaden here. Today I have Carlos from Miami, Florida, and he's 24 right now, and he's going to be sharing with you guys today how he got 11K in sales with under 3 months of working with me and my academy. But first off, before we really get into all of that, I just want for him to introduce himself.
Hey, Jay, how are you? So I'm Carlos. I'm 24. So yeah, so it's good. So yeah, I made that money with you. So to be honest, that your course is very, very, very good. So if you can help other people to make more money, like how you can help me, so
Mhm.
it's very good, bro. Like
Sweet,
to be
brother.
honest.
Sweet, awesome, man. So real quick,
Awesome.
I wanna paint this story just for everybody watching at home of like kind of where you were first off, like before the academy, what you were doing in the academy to get the results you got, and then also what do you plan on doing in the next 3 months to get and scale even further than where you are right now. So let's go all the way back to the beginning. And I mean, just kind of tell the people like what did your life kind of look like before the academy? Like what were you doing?
So okay, like my goal in this business. So it it's it's escalate to to make like 20 30K per day. So you know that's the reason because like all of your students stay in the academy.
Mhm.
But I don't know. So you only need to keep pushing. So to be good. I don't know, bro. So
Uh-huh. No, but before the academy, like before we even got started together, like what did your life kind of look like? Like what were you doing?
so the window tint company that I have.
Uh-huh.
So, but to be honest, that I was told you before, I was lost because I don't know how I can sell through Amazon everything that I want to do in my future. So, thank you so much for helping me to do it. So, right now, I'm very glad with you with
Uh-huh.
your academy because you give me that opportunity to learn how you can improve yourself and how you can like make more money through internet.
Makes sense. Makes sense. So you were doing window tinting. I know you were telling me like you had your window tinting business. And I also do think like before you started the academy, were you also doing e-commerce as well, like with Shopify and stuff like that?
Exactly.
So,
So I was trying to do it with uh other e-commerce,
mhm,
but to be honest, like for me is more easier to do it for Amazon.
mhm.
With your academy, I learned how how I can do to buy products in good price and sell it in very good price. So it depends. So it depends how you wanna do in your future. Your goals and everything. So
Mhm. Makes
that
sense.
that's the reason for me. Like I'm very glad with you, bro. I tell you always.
Makes sense. Makes sense, brother. So you were already doing drop shipping. How was that going for you before Amazon? And what made you get into Amazon instead of just doubling down on doing drop shipping?
So like to be honest, drug shipping for me is not working here in United States
Uh-huh.
because the time for delivery is 4, 5, 6 days. It's too much. Uh, in Amazon, it's like a 2 or 3 days, maybe one day. The product is with the client. So that's the reason because drug shipping is not working here.
Makes sense. Makes sense. So drop shipping wasn't working for you before starting because of the delivery times and just like with Amazon competing with the drop shippers, obviously you
Exactly.
really
So
can't
the
compete.
only the only way that the drug shipping is the drug shipping is working here is when you spend a lot of money to
Mhm.
bring the other products in your storage, something like that. But
Uh-huh.
but you don't know if the other product that you bring is gonna be sold, right? That's
Uh-huh.
the only risk that business have. So for me,
Makes sense. Makes sense. So the risk of that business was you have to purchase the inventory, a lot of it,
exactly,
to ship to your house, so you have faster shipping times and happier customers. But you have to take that risk because you don't really know if it sells. Whereas like with Amazon, you could actually identify how many times the product's selling per month.
exactly. You know, like because when you bring the product, you don't know if you if this product is your win product. So you can
Hmm.
do it. So and you if you do it and you say like okay I do it or I sell so it's good so because it's not only the product it's the ads too video photos you know you need to do a lot of things for this Shopify or this e-commerce works so
Hmm.
that's the reason because just a little bit more complicated.
Yeah, yeah, I would agree with you. Like where Amazon's really just product research, that's all you have to master and understand. And drop shipping is more like marketing, fulfillment, handling like inventory management, a lot of other skills and area
Exactly.
things you have to do where Amazon doesn't have that. So that makes sense. So you saw Amazon as an opportunity where it's e-com, it's still e-com in the realm of e-com, but it was a lot easier and also you have faster shipping times. What made you want to get into e-com in the first place?
My first place to that I want to try to sell.
No, like what was the reason why you got into e-commerce in the first place?
So, bro, because I want to I want to get a freedom you know
Yeah.
for my financial freedom.
Hmm.
So if you can do like all this work all this money work for you, so it's much better. So for me, I see the money like I need to like move the money in products, so in other company or like in whatever. So, but it's not with me. I don't like
Hmm.
that the money stay with me. So I prefer that the money run in other parts. So
Makes sense. Makes sense. So for you, e-commerce was just a way to invest the money you were making from other businesses to be able
exactly,
to have your money work for you. Okay, sweet. That makes sense to me. So when was like the first time you heard about me?
bro. I heard about you like since 6 7 months ago, but you
Uh-huh.
never answered to me. And just one day, I was staying with my mom. I saw the Instagram and you say, "Hey, Jay wrote me." So I talk with you and you send me a little videos and say, "Hey, yo, that's what my academy do. Um, if you try to spend hours, if you study, if you do like if you see the videos, it just you know you say like if you like follow this step,
Mhm.
you can be win.
Yeah.
So, bro, to be honest, I follow step by step, and that's amazing, bro.
That's awesome, man. That's
That's
awesome. Okay,
awesome. That's
sweet.
awesome.
So you heard from me for Instagram. You were following me for a while. I finally responded to you. I'm like, yo, let's hop on a call. Let's see if we're able to help you. We were able to help you. We got you in the academy. Now, walk me through because you've been in the academy now for almost 4 months, I believe, 4 or 3 months. Walk me through the results you've seen month to month. So, like, what did the first month in the academy look like for you?
So, like to be honest, in this academy, uh, you need to follow step by step. And for me, the most difficult part, so is the engagement. So
The
you
ungating?
they don't get it. So because you
Makes
need
sense.
to send a receipt, you need to wait. That maybe they say not, and then you need to resend the receipt. Bro, it's a process.
Hmm.
But but then if you when you when you are approval for this step or this brand, so it's more easier for me to sell.
Hmm. Makes
That
sense. Makes sense. So
So
first month was just like understanding step by step how everything works, getting ungated.
exactly.
What did the second month look like?
So like my first month is in the first month I didn't see nothing. So I only see the videos. You know,
Uh-huh.
I need to understand what the documents have in what is the process that I need to follow in all the documents that you have in your academy. So I follow like I see all the videos first, and then the second month when okay I will buy merchandise. And when
Mhm.
when I buy merchandise, when I bought merchandise, so I need to say okay, I need engagement. The second month for me if is just was the engagement.
Uh-huh.
I spoke with Ryan and say, bro, I spent 1 month to try to sell Adidas, Nike, bro. I was crazy. So I said, Mo. And the third 4 month for me that was amazing. Technically, I made like 11K in 2 months.
Yeah, yeah,
Technically,
exactly. Exactly. So third month was when you started seeing like your first sales?
exactly. I start to sell in my third month. So for
Makes
me,
sense. Okay. Sweet. Could you show me your sales like on your Amazon Seller Central?
so sounds good, man. Uh, let me see my phone.
All right. Go to like the all time.
Good, man. Uh, so the
You gotta like put your hand on it, have it focus.
yeah. So look,
Maybe turn the brightness down a little bit.
technically looks that that's November. I made wow, bro. You can see it, right? So, bro.
Here, maybe if you just go to the Seller Central app and then just go to instead of units sold, go to like products sold.
Okay, so
Or
in November and December,
uh
the both mode. Okay. I sold. Okay, let me see December right now. In November, I sold like 82 units.
82 units. Okay, sweet, sweet.
Right now is December 10th. I sold 64 units.
64. So you're really ramping it up. Could you show me? Like, is it see if it's
Look,
working again?
60, 60, 60.
You could kind of see it. You have one sale for today too.
Bro,
Yeah, it's whatever.
yeah, so but you can I can show you like very very good. So for okay, look. Uh, bro, my camera doesn't work. It's terrible. Like,
There you
like
go.
the,
You could
the
see it a little bit. Yeah,
exactly the unit that I do. So everything. So yeah.
that's
So
awesome, man. That's
that's the
awesome.
if I want, I can send you like all the units that I saw, and you can
Uh-huh.
in your story if you want. So well, I don't know. Like
Yeah,
I
no,
want
that's
to.
good. That's good, man. So I mean, just kind of getting back to it. So you've done over 11K in sales now, been selling for around a month, like actually selling inventory. Um, I mean, I feel like a lot of people have problems with like actually getting into it, like taking that first step. You know what I'm saying? Taking that leap of faith. So, like,
Okay.
what pushed you over the fence to join the academy and to get started with this business?
So for me, j- if you want to be successful, so you need to take risk, right?
Mhm.
So and you need to learn something. You need to read. You need to see the videos. If you want to do like if you want to like to be successful, in this academy, you can see every document or every video like can help you
Hmm.
to sell. So and that's it. So I don't know, like for me this academy was experience that I never
Hmm.
forget it.
Makes sense. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. So, like when you talk about the academy, like what support do you think has helped you the most? Has it been like the one-on-one support with me and Ryan? Has it been the resources, the videos and the documents in the academy? Has it been the group coaching calls? Like, has it been the DM support? Like, what do you think supported you the most to get you these type of results?
So to be honest, um bro bro Ryan like helped to me, bro, a lot. You know how
Uh-huh.
grateful I'm stay with Brian because he bro, any hours, Brian always talk to me. Every day, Brian talk to me. Hey, yo, what's up? What are you doing? So, how was your sales? Oh, tell me how many units you sell. You need something? Okay, make a call. So, I appreciate it because I never feel alone in this
Makes
course.
sense. So is the one-on-one support, like being able to
Ex
DM me and Ryan and also being able
exactly,
to hop on calls and stuff like that?
exactly. Or,
Makes
or I
sense.
try to talk to you and you say me, hey Carl, okay, make a call, or okay, you have my schedule, put it the time, put it the hour, okay, make a call.
Yeah.
So that's awesome, bro.
Sweet, sweet, man. That's cool. I'm glad that helped you. So, I mean, like, what's kind of your plan for the future? I know you've been selling for like the last 2 months now. Is the plan to like maintain where you're at or just to keep on scaling?
I want to keep scaling because the only thing, so right now I was see documents on internet or something like that because for me, I start with arbitrage right now. So,
Hmm.
but how you can tell me one time? So you can start with arbitrage and you can see how the business move,
Hmm.
and then you can do arbitrage and wholesales.
Hmm.
So that's what I want to do right now. I'm trying to connect with other companies to sell to the wholesale to
Hmm.
provide me like merchandise to to make more sales.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, sweet. So that's how you plan on future in the future. And would you recommend like other people to work with us?
So I recommend, yeah, if you want to do something, so give give your 100%. So give you the energy, give everything because that's the uh is a reason because you start, right?
Hmm.
You can never lose that reason because you start. So you never can be focused. You never you always need to follow your goals.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Sweet, man. Sweet. Sweet. Well, this has been great, Carlos. Thank you so much for your time and the people watching at home. And have a good one.